All right, so let's look at this question. All right, so let's find the area of the shaded portion in the figure below. All right, so the figure consists of a quadrant, and then a square. So the shaded region is this side, okay? So before we can find the shaded portion, we should know the area of the square and that of the quadrant, okay? So this side is the quadrant, okay? All right. So we all know that a square has its size being equal. So if the AB is 10, BC is 10, and CD is also 10, and AD is also 10. So let's look at the area of the shaded portion. All right, for a square, area of a square. So we have length AB times BD. Okay, so we have 10 times 10, so which is 100 centimeters squared. Okay, right, so let's look at area of a quadrant. So with the quadrant, so this side is the radius, so equal to 10, and this side to equal to 10. Okay, so a quadrant, so quadrant is 1/4 of a circle, so 1/4 of area of a circle, so we have pi squared. Okay, so this one will be 1/4 times, so pi has been given, to 22.7 times the radius, which is 10, so 10 squared is 100. Right, so over 1, so this one will be 2200 over, so 28, so 2200 on 28 will be 78.57. all right, so now that we know the area of a square and that of the quadrant, we can calculate for the shaded region. So shaded region is just area of a square. So area of a square is 100 minus area of a quadrant, so that is 78.57. So the answer is 21.43. all right, so the area of the shaded region here is 21.43 centimeters squared. all right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. all right.